Okay, so if you want to ensure a really good deal when you're trading crypto, you should always use limit orders. Now, I covered in a separate video how to go to pro.coinbase.com. So if you're here, we're going to cover everything you need to know so that you could take your trading to the next level. Now, remember, a limit order is a type of order to purchase crypto for a specified price or better. So for buy limit orders, the order will be executed only at the limit price or a lower one, while for sell limit orders, the order will be executed only at the limit price or a higher one. This stipulation allows us to better control the prices at which we are trading. So for instance, I'm going to use the example of Ethereum. So on Coinbase Pro, you want to go to select market and you are going to choose Ethereum. So Coinbase will automatically show how much we have in USD and how much we have in ETH. And then you go to the order form and you either select buy or sell. So why would I want to use a limit order? Well, Ethereum right now costs $3,326. Now let's say I think there's going to be a flash crash and I want to buy it at $2,750. Instead of just staying glued to the screen, watching the charts, hoping to spot the flash crash, I can just put a limit order in that is good till canceled, and I could just go on about my day. And vice versa, if I wanted to sell Ethereum, so right now Ethereum is now trading at 3,320. So if I put a market order or I'm selling it on Coinbase, the regular version, it's just going to do it at market price. So it's going to sell it for 3,320. However, if I want to sell Ethereum at, let's say, 4,000, because I think it's going to get to 4,000 again, then I could just put a limit order to sell Ethereum at 4,000. So let's see exactly how it's done. So for the example of me trying to buy Ethereum at $2,750, under the order form, I'm going to click buy. Then I'm going to go to limit. And now under limit, we see there's an amount here. If you trade stocks, think of this as the amount of shares. So this is the amount of Ethereum that we wish to buy. I'm going to select 1.5. And if you want to buy 2, if you want to buy 5, it's whatever you want, you specify here. And then the limit price. So remember I said that I'm trying to purchase Ethereum at $2,750 because I'm hoping for a flash crash that I could just make a quick buck on. So the cool thing is that once I input the information here, Coinbase Pro is going to tell me my fee, which in this case is $20.63, and the total I'm going to have to dish out, which in this case is $4,145.63. And the other cool thing is, if I change this, so let's say I want to buy 2 Ethereum, it's going to show me the total and the fees, and they automatically adjust to whatever I specify here. So let's say I specify 1.5 Ethereum, but buy it at $2,000. You will see that right here, it automatically adjusts. So if we look at the drop down, there are 4 options here, and I want to make sure that you understand exactly what these mean. So good till canceled means exactly that. The order will be placed in the order book and remain valid until you cancel it. Now, good till time means, listen, I want to put this order in, but I only want it to exist for 1 day. And so at the end of 1 day, this order will expire. It will no longer show in the order book and it will not be under your orders. And you can always see your orders by clicking orders over here. So once we send an order through, I'm going to show you how it looks like in orders. So personally, when I'm trading, I either use good till time 1 day or I use good till canceled. So for this instance that I'm hoping for a flash crash and to buy it 2,750, 1.5 Ethereum, I'm going to do good till canceled because I think that the chart is going to spike down and then spike right back up. Now there's also these 2 options, immediate or cancel or fill or kill. They're a little bit less common, but let's cover what they are. An IOC order or immediate or cancel is an order that will be placed, and if it is not immediately filled, it will automatically be canceled and removed from the order book. And a fill or kill order, or FOC, is an order that will only complete if the entire amount can be matched. Remember, sometimes you put an order in and it's partially filled and then it's partially filled again. But fill or kill, that's not the case. The entire amount has to be matched and filled. Partial matches are not filled with this order type and will not execute. Now you'll also notice that regardless what we select here, there's an execution of post only and allow taker. And by the way, I mentioned order book a few times. So this is the order book. It's essentially a list of orders that Coinbase Pro uses to record the interest of buyers and sellers. Once the interest criteria is met on both buyer and seller side, then the transaction occurs. And I want to point out here, there's a post only and the allow taker. Now, I wouldn't really be concerned with this unless you're super advanced. I'm going to show this screen here. You could take a look at the taker fees and the maker fees. You can notice that the maker fees are a little better than the taker fees. But if you care about 0.01% when you're doing a trade, especially something volatile like crypto, good luck. So I usually just leave it under post only. And if you're someone that's not very advanced and you're someone that doesn't have a bazillion dollars, then I would just leave it under post only. Remember, this is all for entertainment purposes only, my own journey. This is not to be construed as financial advice. So let's go back to the original task at hand. I want to send through a limit order that says if Ethereum drops to $2,750 or below, to go ahead and purchase 1.5 Ethereum. I'm going to leave it as good till canceled, post only. The fee is going to be $20.63, which is actually probably better than if you used regular Coinbase. This is why I really think it's a great idea to use Coinbase Pro versus just regular Coinbase. And the total is $4,145.63. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place the buy order. So once I place the buy order, you can see that right here is the order. The size is 1.5 Ethereum, filled 0. Why? Because the price is $2,750 and right now it's trading at $3,324. So it's obviously not going to fill this and the status is open. Now, if you have a bunch of different trades, bunch of different crypto, you can always go over here, click on orders, and over here you're going to be able to see your open orders. And if you want to see all the orders that executed, you simply go to the filled section over here. I really hope that this tutorial helps you guys. I noticed that YouTube does not have a good tutorial that explains the ins and outs of limit orders on Coinbase Pro. If I helped you out here, please do give me a like, a comment, subscribe, and mention what you want me to cover next. Which crypto, which trading strategy, which option strategy. We do it all on this channel. And while this channel is small, I'm going to aim to respond to every single comment that comes through in the comment section. Good luck on your crypto investing journey.